Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Laravel eCommerce SaaS Aramex shipping plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the super admin to provide the tenants with the functionality of Aramex shipping service. And on the other hand, the customers of the tenants would be able to select the Aramex shipping at the time of checkout as per their requirement there, and can proceed further to place the order thereafter, selecting the Aramex shipping for getting their parcels delivered at their home steps. Now this particular plugin allows the tenants to enter the account country name and the account PIN. It can work for both the domestic and international methods. The tenants can enable or disable the cash on delivery service for Aramex shipping. The super admin can choose the mode and can set up the user ID and the password for the Aramex shipping in the super admin backend panel. Kindly note that this particular plugin is added on to the Laravel multi-company SaaS module, so you must have first installed it and then you can make use of the plugin. That's the Laravel eCommerce SaaS Aramex shipping plugin. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow at the customer's end, at the tenant's end, and at the super admin's end as well. So this is a super admin, that's the ashish-saas.com/super/login. This is the tenant website, that's the with the subdomain there, that's the site3.ashish-saas.com. And this is the front end of the tenant website, that's the site3.ashish-saas.com. So I've already logged into my customer account there, as you can see. So to proceed further with this particular video tutorial, but before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So what I'll be doing is I'll be placing an order there for a particular product, that's the landscape or the horizon. So I'll be adding it into the cart there. After adding it into the cart there, I'll be able to make a checkout thereafter. So the price of the product is $1,000 and the quantity is 1. On the checkout page, I'll be able to select my billing address that I've already saved, or I can choose a new billing address as well as per the requirement there. So for now, I'll be selecting an already saved billing address there. And after selecting the billing address, we'll be able to see the select shipping method, wherein we'll be able to see the Aramex shipping method name that has been set by the tenant under their own admin backend panel, and the description of the same, that's the Aramex shipping. So this is the title of the shipping method, and this is the description of the shipping method, that's the Aramex shipping, and this is the price of the shipping method that is visible to the customers and the time of checkout there. After selecting this particular shipping method, that's the Aramex shipping method, along with the price, that's $101.37. The same is visible here on the right hand side under the cart summary. The customers can go ahead and can select the cash on delivery or any other payment method as required there. And they can see that they have selected the Aramex as the shipping method with the shipping price as $101.37, and the cash on delivery is the payment method that they have selected. Thereafter, they can tap on the place order button to place the order. After the order has been placed, they'll be able to see the order details under their own account panel, wherein they'll be able to see the details of the shipping method that they had selected. So you can see that the order has been placed. Now on the top right hand corner, I'll go to the orders section of the customer there, and here is the order ID number 3 that's in the pending state right now. Let's view this up, and after viewing this up, we can see the shipping and handling of $101.37 are visible here to the customer. And here you can see that the shipping method name is also visible, that's the Aramex itself. So that's how the customers can easily select the Aramex shipping method at the checkout time to get their parcels delivered at their doorsteps. So this was the workflow at the customer's end. Now let's hop on to the super admin end, and let's see how the super admin would be able to initially configure this Laravel eCommerce SaaS Aramex shipping plugin in the first place. So for that, I'll go to the main website, that's the ashish-saas.com/super/login. And here what I'll be doing is I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the super admin's email address and the password. So I'll go ahead and I'll enter the email of the super admin and the password for the same, and then I'll be tapping here on the sign in button. Now after I've signed in, what I need to do as a super admin, I need to go to the configure section. Under the configure section, I'll go to the sales section. Under the sales section, I'll find the particular shipping method, that's the Aramex, as you can see. And here we can configure the Aramex shipping as per our own requirement there. So we can enable it on the checkout page there. We can choose the mode of the Aramex shipping as testing, or the development mode, or the production mode. For the testing mode, we can choose it as enabled. Otherwise, for the production mode, we can set it as disabled. Then we have to choose the Aramex country code. Depending upon where your account is, in that country, in whichever country your account is, you have to enter the details for the same. Then you have to enter the account entity, account number, username, password, and the account PIN. So all of these details you will get after you registered yourself as a merchant at the Aramex shipping service there. Then you will get all of these details from there. And then after entering all of these details, you need to tap here on the save button to save the particular initial configuration settings and the super admin's end. Now coming down to the tenant end, this is the tenant's website. Backend, that's the site3.ashish-saas.com/admin/login. Here I'll be logging into the tenant admin backend panel by entering the email password and tapping on the sign in button. After I've signed in, to configure the Aramex or the Laravel SaaS Aramex shipping plugin, I need to go to the configure section. Under configure, I'll go to the sales. Under sales, we'll go to the shipping section first, and here we'll be setting up the tenant's web store origin address. So my account is from India, so I've set the country as India, the state as Uttar Pradesh, city Noida, street and the zip code as 201301 there. And then I've tapped on the save button. Then we have the shipping method section. Under the shipping method section, we'll go to the Aramex shipping method name, and here we'll be able to configure the Aramex by setting up the title that would be visible to the customers at the checkout time after they have selected their billing address. The title of the shipping method that would be displayed to the customers can be entered here, and this is configurable. You can configure it as per your own requirement there. Then you have to choose the weight units for the shipment as kilograms or pounds as per your own requirement. You can also enable this toggle button to enable option to calculate the tax on the shipping. You can also enable the cash on delivery service for the Aramex as well by enabling or disabling it up as per your own requirement there. Then we have ship to countries. So whichever countries you want to ship to using the Aramex shipping, you can select them up from this particular section. You can tap on the control and then choose the countries where you want to ship the particular products, and or you can select Control A to select all of the countries there where you want to ship the products to using the Aramex shipping. Then we have the ship to channels. So here you have to select the site 3 or your subdomain there. Then we have allowed domestic methods. So here you have to select the domestic methods that would be displayed to the customers at the checkout time. Whichever ones that you selected here would be available for selection to the customers at the checkout time. Then we have the allowed international methods that would be displayed to the customers at the checkout time if the parcel is to be delivered in an international location there. So after making these configuration settings here, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the initial configurations at the tenant's end. So yes, that was much about the Laravel eCommerce SaaS Aramex shipping plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@bagisto.com, or you can raise a ticket at bagisto.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.